What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we have the most famous mod for your GoPro HERO9, and that's the Max Lens mod. We're going to unbox this and also show you how you put this on, because a lot of people have issues because it's very hard to put on and they're afraid they're going to break it. Got a lot of manuals here, and that's pretty much it. Comes in this, looks like a little ring box. You pull that off and you can see the lenses in there. Now, I do want to point out, a lot of people are very shush-lick with this, and what shush-lick means is basically very clumsy with their cases. Now, you do not want to get dust behind your lens as you're swapping this out. So if you go ahead, you swap this out, and you get dust behind the lens, that's going to be in between your camera and your lens, and it's, over time, it might show up on your videos. So now for us, we need to go ahead and take off our silicone protective case here. And as you can see, here's our lens. Try not to stir up any dust when you're doing this, but it's very simple. We're going to pop off the top lens here. We're going to keep that right there. And as you can see, don't get dust back there, so try and keep that facing down as much as you can. Now for this, it's going to be very simple. You're going to take it and turn. Okay, once you turn it, it's going to pop right out. Okay, so just like that. Now make sure, keep it down. We don't want to get anything on the lens. We want to make sure we got this line up, so each slot's going to be on the side, the left and the right. As we take this off, we can see how this looks. So we're going to quickly transfer this over before anything gets in. Okay, line it up, press down, twist it. Here you don't have to go hard, just twist it until you can't no more. Once you can't twist it no more, for most people it's going to be easier to do this way than the first way I showed you. So you put your hand like this, kind of like you're pinching, place the lens in here, so the lens will be right in here, place it in here, get a tight grip, and then what you're going to do is you're going to twist the body of the camera downward. So you're going to pull it down while you're twisting the lens the other way. And just like that, it pops right on. So it's hard if you don't first understand that, but now it's on. Go ahead, power this on so you guys can see that there's no black spots or anything. Look at that, that's beautiful.